Hey, welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to see likes on X. Open X application on your phone and go to your profile picture in the top left corner of your screen. Then go to your profile, and here you can see several tabs. You need to go to tab with your likes, and basically here you will see every post that you have ever liked. But for example, if you want to see someone else's likes on X, then you can't do it because as of 2024, X made likes private for all users. And this basically means that nobody, not even followers, can see another person's likes tab anymore. Yes, so that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.